Hello everyone. Welcome back again to my English learning session. So, before we begin the session, I would like to ask you some couple of questions. So, first, do you have dream that could completely change your lives? Imagine your dreams comes true. Then, what changes would you see in your life? And what would you do differently? And how would your life improve? So, think about it. And so, exactly, this is called imaginary situation, hypothetical situation. So, it is the very important part of speaking English, and we should know how to talk this situation. So, you can understand this topic is very important for us. So, before I share my dream, I would like to encourage you. First, you pause the video and try to explain your dreams in English. And if you would like, you can try to write some sentences. That would really very helpful. Okay, now let me share my dreams. So, about me, if I could speak English like a native speaker, how my life would be changed. And so really, if I could speak English like a native speaker, it would be a great achievement for me. I would feel extremely happy and satisfied because I am always been fascinated the way native speakers speak, communicate, and their pronunciation, fluency, confident, always inspire me. And second, would open up lot of job opportunity for me. I could teach kids and students in international schools. Because there, the native sounds, pronunciations are more valued. And really, I would appreciate to work like this environment. Moreover, I could help many students and learners to improve their communication skills. So, really, it would be great for me. Next, speaking like a native speaker would improve my communication skills, and it would help to earn a recognition as a passionate learner and professional teachers. And next, it would help to build my YouTube channel and connect with a wider audience around the world. So really it would help to find my dreams. Although I know I couldn't speak like exactly native speaker, but I believe by consistent practice, it would be improved my communication skill and I would feel confident and fluent speaker. So that's the my dream. So I think now you can understand, समझ गए होंगे कि जब हम अपना इमेजिन कोई ड्रीम इमेजिनरी सिचुएशन में बात करते हैं तो मैंने कैसे वुड और कुड के सहारे अपना एक्सप्रेशन शेयर किया. तो आई थिंक नाउ you can understand and you could also express your thoughts easily in imaginary situation. If you find my video, my topic is useful for you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and keep practicing, keep learning. See you again next video. Till then, bye.